HYFLEX controlled memory NiTi files have been manufactured utilizing a unique process that controls the material's memory, making the files extremely flexible but without the shape memory of conventional NiTi files. This gives the file the ability to follow the anatomy of the canal very closely, reducing the risk of ledging, transportation or perforation. Furthermore, the files can be pre-bent, similar to the way of stainless steel. Particularly in root canals with abrupt curvatures, this can help avoid the creation of steps. HYFLEX CM NiTi files respond to excessive resistance with straightening of the spirals, which avoids binding to the walls and therefore increases fracture resistance. This form adaptation can be reversed quickly by heat treatment, during autoclaving or with a glass bead sterilizer, returning the instruments back to their original shape. Furthermore, it will strengthen the files, making them a lot more resistant to cyclical fatigue. Also, it provides a clear visual opportunity to verify safe continuation of file use. HYFLEX CM NiTi files with controlled memory are up to 300% more resistant to cyclical fatigue compared to conventional NiTi files, which substantially helps reducing the incidence of file separation. HYFLEX CM NiTi files can be used with crown down, step back or our recommended single-length technique. Step 1. Start with the 0825 file. Use it as an orifice opener. Move slowly forward without pressure in a pecking motion. Once resistance occurs, go to Step 2. Check patency with 0220 hand file. Irrigate and lubricate. If working length is reached in large canals, it may be possible to go directly to Step 4. Step 2. Use the 0420 file as a pathfinder to the working length. If resistance occurs, use an 0220 hand file to gain patency. Step 3. Insert the 0425 file for apical enlargement to the working length. Step 4. Use the 0620 file to shape the middle part of the root canal. This file can also be taken to working length. Step 5. Take the 0430 file to working length to enlarge the apical part of the canal. Step 6. Finish treatment with the 0440 file to working length. If resistance occurs before the working length is reached, go back to the previous step until working length is reached. HYFLEX CM NiTi files can be reused as long as they regain original shape after heat treatment or autoclaving. Files not returning to original shape should be discarded.